Hello everyone! This video will take you through the process of making an immigration appointment. Visit HiKorea.go.kr. On the main page, click the Login tab. Enter your username and password, then click Login. If you've done that successfully, you'll see at the top of the screen that you are logged in. Click the blue tab. Ensure the Reservation Visit Application tab is highlighted. There will be a notice warning that if a reservation is made using the personal information of another person, you may be subject to imprisonment or a large fine in accordance with the law. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Read the reservation notice carefully. If you have read and understood, check the box and click Application. Another pop-up will highlight the importance of making an appointment before your visa expires to avoid fines. Click the confirmation button. First, you will need to select the correct immigration office. If you are not sure which office to visit, click here. From the drop-down menu, select Gyeongbuk and then click Search. The offices and cities they manage will appear. Unfortunately, the website does not show Andong Immigration Office, so this has been provided in the English version for the purposes of this video. You must select the appropriate office for the city you will be working in for the duration of the renewal contract period. When you have found the correct office, close the window. Choose the immigration office from the drop-down menu. In Gyeongbuk, there are 5 immigration offices: Daegu, Gumi, Pohang, Ulsan, and Andong. To make an appointment for Andong, select Daegu from the drop-down menu. Then, in the 4th section for complaint classification, select the last option for Andong Immigration Office. If you are moving to a new city, the managing immigration office may change. You must visit the office that oversees the city you will be working and living in, not the office for your current city. The system will flag this change, noting that you are currently registered with a certain office, in this case the Daegu office, and ask you to check you have selected the correct office. Click Confirm. In the Complaint Classification section, select Residence Permit Application Reservation. In the Reason for Visit section, select Extension of Stay Period. It is possible to select multiple options. For example, if you will also change your address or require a new registration card, select those options as required. While extension of E2 visas can be done online, the Gyeongbuk Office of Education strongly recommend that teachers visit the immigration office in person to avoid processing delays. Click Confirm. The window will open on the current day. Times shown in grey are unavailable. Times shown in white are available. Select an appointment time. Once clicked, the window will automatically close and your selected date and time will appear on your application. Review the details and click Next. A notice will appear alerting you that you are required to report or change your employment information. click Confirm to proceed. Review the existing job information and select Changes or No Changes as appropriate. In this video, we will be showing how to make changes. To enter your occupation, click the blue button. In the search bar, type 영어 and hit search. Click the job title, 영어 강사. On the main page under Industry, click the blue button and in the search bar, type 학교 and click Search. Here you will see a number of results. The first three options are simple: elementary, middle, and general high school. An example of a general high school is Gyeongju High School or Gyeongbuk Foreign Language High School. For information high schools, these generally have the name 정부 in the title. For example, Gyeongju 정부 고등학교. If your school is a technical high school, this should also be included in the name. For example, 구모 공업 고등학교. And some other schools which do not fit any of the previous classifications would be considered other. Some examples are 한국국제조리고등학교 or 한국국제통상마이스터고등학교. Select the most appropriate option based on the level of your main school. In the income section, select the yearly earnings from the drop-down menu. When you are finished, click Apply. You will be asked if you want to make an appointment. Click Yes. If you have read and understood the notice, click Confirm. You will receive a message that your reservation has been successfully completed. To close the window, click OK. To print, click Print. A new page will open. Click the scroll at the top to print. You can select the PDF option to save a copy to your computer. When the window opens, click Save. Once the print screen has closed, you will be able to see some important information. Here, you can also find the link to download the application form. To cancel or change your appointment, navigate to My Page. Click the appointment time and date. To change an appointment, click Change. The selected day is the 27th, but this is the day I already have an appointment. If you try to choose another time on the same day, you may receive the following message: only one appointment per day is available. In this case, you will either need to choose a different day or cancel your existing appointment and rebook. Select another day and choose the time. Your new time will be added to the application, then click Change. The system will ask if you want to change your appointment. Click Confirm. You will receive a new reservation confirmation. To cancel an appointment, click Cancel. You will be asked if you are sure you want to cancel the existing appointment. Click Yes. This message confirms that the reservation has been cancelled. Click OK. Back on My Page, you will be able to see that your reservation has been cancelled. And that is how you make an appointment to visit the immigration office. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.